In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of products in Shopify. If you want your products to appear in a specific order on your store, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look toward the left side menu and click on Products. Next, click on Collections. This is where Shopify allows you to organize and display products in different orders within your collections. Now, select the collection where you want to change the product order. Once the collection page opens, you will see all the products currently included in that collection. At the top right area of the products list, you'll notice a sorting option that may say best selling or another automatic sorting method. Click on that drop-down menu. From the list of options, choose manually. This will allow you to fully control the order of your products. After selecting manual sorting, simply drag and drop the products into the order you want. Move products up or down until everything looks exactly how you want it to appear on your store. Once you've finished arranging the products, Shopify will automatically save the new order. And that's it. You've successfully changed the order of products in your Shopify collection. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.